Hey crew, so I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna have for Thanksgiving. I hope y'all have a blessed and prosperous day. Y'all enjoy the family. Y'all have a bunch of laughter, joy, and y'all make some memories. I've been up since 3 a.m. Got the turkey in the oven, and we gotta finish cooking a lot of other stuff. But I'm just gonna vlog a little bit of all the food, and this video will go up for Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna show y'all this turkey. And if y'all looking for a turkey video, I already have one on my Thanksgiving playlist. She's beautiful. Oh yeah. Look at that juice coming out of it. Oh yeah. Alright, y'all, so I got the turkey out the oven. Oh yeah, she pretty. Ooh. We got a 20-pound turkey. Alright crew, so right here y'all just gonna see me cut up the turkey, and I promise y'all I'm not gonna bore y'all to death, so I'm gonna speed it up. But I'm also gonna show y'all how juicy and how moist the turkey was. Y'all know, hey, I don't make dry turkeys, and if I ever do, I'm throwing it in the trash can. Real talk. Alright y'all, so this is the ham that I made. We have 2 pans of ham. They gotta go back in the oven. So when we're ready to eat, we can warm it up because it's been in the refrigerator. I got the glaze on it, pineapple juice of the cherries, and here goes the second pan of ham. Alright y'all, so I did mix up my cornbread yesterday. I baked it off. The only thing I put in here was cream of chicken and cream of celery. And I made some turkey stock from some turkey wings. I'm gonna show y'all the turkey stock. And this have like the celery, the peppers, the onion, and everything in there. And this is homemade turkey stock. I'm gonna finish mixing this up, and I'll be back. Alright y'all, so I finally got it all mixed up, and I use that whole pot of stock, and this is the consistency I like it. And if you're looking for like a cornbread dressing video, y'all always can check out my holiday or Thanksgiving playlist. I have a couple. I also have a live on there, me making dressing, so y'all can check that out. But yeah, it's all mixed up. It took a minute. And I didn't want to bore y'all to death while I was trying to break everything down. But yeah, it's ready to go in the oven. Alright, crew, so I got my cornbread dressing out the oven. I'm gonna give y'all a famous close-up of it, then I'm gonna dig in it a little bit and show y'all what it looked like on the inside.
I could spend every single day staring into your beautiful blue. Every single day, every single hour. We're growing older together now, but I still feel young when I'm with you. We were so young, maybe 20-something. We were living in a fantasy. I knew right from the start you were the other half of my heart. Wanna be so the other half of my heart. Wanna be so.
Alright, y'all, so we sitting at the table. I ain't gonna show everybody because we selling our morning clothes, but we got some New York extra sharp cheddar cheese. We got some pepper jack cheese. And we got some mozzarella. Queen got Kobe and Jack mozzarella
And short meat.
and medium. We about to shred up some cheese for the macaroni. Got the shredder right there. So baby putting everybody to work. So, and we also got cream cheese, but this cheese right here is specifically for the roux, and the rest is going in the mac and cheese. All right, y'all. So we got all the cheese cubed up and shredded.
I knew right from the start you were the other half of my heart. The other half of my heart. You were the other half of my heart.
All right, y'all. This is the cheese sauce for the macaroni and cheese, and she's gonna pour it over the macaroni noodles, and I will show y'all that, and then she'll label the cheese.
And let them know I did make my homemade roux.
Yes, homemade roux. We know you ain't slacking, Big Daddy. We know you from the southern roots. You make that homemade stuff. Oh yeah, get one more spoon.
And the color that's on your camera is not the color that this is. For some reason, yours showing white. Mine has more of a yellow.
Because see the lighting, it's showing yellow now. But people know. See this. Damn. That gushy.
That's what they say. You gotta hit them. You gotta hit them.
That's that gushy,
Sound.
gushy. ASMR.
Your macaroni and cheese dry if you don't do that. I just put a little. I don't put a lot. I just put a little. Mama say for color. Mama say you put parsley on it for color.
You ain't got none over here. You skipped the whole hump.
It's okay. It don't need to be all over. Just a little bit. Just for color. So you can see color. Now this is what's important right here.
Yeah, that right there, that big
It
boy.
gotta be the smoked. Don't get the flavorless paprika. Don't do that.
All right, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all the rest of our Thanksgiving dinner. We have gravy here for the dressing of turkey, or whatever they want to put it on. We have sweet peas right here. And for the dessert, we got sweet potato pie. We have crumb cake. And we also have some potato salad. And Queen got rolls in the oven.